is Diffit AI, which is the AI generator the district has purchased premium accounts for teachers to use. So once you sign in with the link you've been provided and your school email, this is the page you'll encounter. And it's pretty straightforward to use. First, what you need to do is enter your prompt. As with all AI generators, the better written your prompt is, the better result you will end up with. Cool piece about this is you can adjust the reading level as well as the language, as well as the type of reading. Once you select all of that and you click Generate Resource, it will create an article for you that includes images, a reading passage, some summaries, key vocab words, multiple choice questions, short answer questions, and open-ended prompts. Another cool feature this has is you can see the sources that it's pulling from. And so if there's any of the sources that you don't like, you can edit that and get rid of those sources and regenerate the article. Another cool element to this is that when you click on Get Student Activities, there's this whole library of various graphic organizers and templates, worksheets that it can put the information into and generate all that for you. So that is Diffit AI.